Good news there for businesses looking to go to Sweden. Well, moving on, the Agricultural Employers Association has decried the rising cost of production, noting that it was adversely affecting floriculture farming in the country. Well, the association pointed to the escalating cost of fertilizer as one of the major challenges currently facing the flower sector, which is yet to fully recover from COVID-19. According to the association CEO Wesley Siele, farmers' profit margins were shrinking by the month, a move that is affecting workers' welfare. Kenya is set to benefit from 13 million euros towards supporting farmers and workers in the flowers and tea sector.
Issues of compliance are really things that are key. We need to ensure that all the producers are compliant in all those aspects, including taking care of the environment, taking care of the employees, so that the customer out there is happy that these employees are produced in a good environment.
We are looking at how we can support living income, living wage, and here we are trying to say that every farmer, every worker, be it a smallholder farmer or be it someone who's employed by hired labor like flowers farms, should be able to access decent income where they can live comfortably. And what we try to do in such a project is to be able to talk to the markets whereby they pay an additional amount above the market price that goes towards increasing the salaries of workers and smallholder farmers to enable them meet what you can call a comfortable standards of living.
If you look at fair trade as a business model and also as a network, we strive as much as possible to pay the workers wages that are above what you call the local living wages, so that this group or these producers can be able to improve their standards of living. So part of the key challenges is still workers are still underpaid, but fair trade as a business model is striving to be able to pay workers well so that they can be able to get out of poverty.
Regular audits are being undertaken on flower farms with coffee cooperatives, tea cooperatives, etc. And the compliance in general is really very good. So we're very happy with that. But of course we also see that the farmers and workers need support sometimes beyond certification, and that's what this program is also about.
Well, moving on, Bamburi Cement Group has posted a 22% increase in net profits of 1.38